Mango, what is your favorite food to...
Pig, I'll buy you a golden melon tonight.
Ha ha! Come on! Golden melon! Oh, eat the pig! Ha ha!
Shake off the little cherry.
Mango, come and tie it up.
Faster. Tie it properly. Tie it tight. Otherwise it will fall into fire.
Mango, you should still treat first and second brother. Call me over to eat together.
No, I won't.
Everyone was treating me that day.
Oh, big brother and second brother is not at home.
What's going on?
Listen to what the next door neighbor said. So they eat red umbrellas and were hospitalized.
It's fragrant.
This half is mine.
You're bragging. If you can't finish it, I'll stuff it into your stomach.
Haha, absolutely no problem.
Mango, you can eat now. Come and lift it up.
What a sunny day.
Where is little Cherry?